Okay, we're going to be making these cookies. You want 125 grams of unsalted butter, soft. Same again with the icing sugar, same amount, 125 grams. You want 1 egg yolk, just the yolk. We want a 6 centimeter fluted cookie cutter. We're going to finish off with some raspberry jam. I need to add some vanilla essence into the mix. We're also going to use 1 cup and 3/4, so 1 3/4 cups of plain flour. You're also going to need a rolling pin, a couple of sheets of greaseproof paper, and some cookie trays. You can do this in a bowl, but today I'm going to use my food processor, my food mixer, to make life a lot easier. So into my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my butter, which is nice and soft, followed by my super fine sugar, icing sugar. I'm going to pop it on. Start with a gentle mix first so it doesn't go everywhere. All we're doing now is creaming the butter and the sugar together, and we just want to beat this till it's nice and fluffy. Just add 1 egg yolk. Going to add in my flour in stages, maybe in about 3 batches, just so it's combined. You might need to press it all together. So I've divided the dough into 2 equal parts. One is going to be the base and the other one is going to be the top. You need to refrigerate these for about 15-20 minutes before we start to use them. Okay, so the cookie dough's come out. I'm going to put it in between 2 sheets of baking paper so I can roll it out. And you want to roll it out about a 3 centimeter thickness. Okay, just pop these in the fridge for about 5 minutes while we roll the other out. Again, you want to lift this onto your cookie sheet. And repeat the process. These are the first ones we put in, and we're going to remove that excess dough. Okay, so we're going to do the top now. We need a 2 centimeter small pastry cutter, and we want to put it right into the center as best we can. Pop that centerpiece out and then onto our tray. Okay, so any of these leftover pieces we're going to push together and just repeat the process. I've got a tray here which is ready for the oven. So I've got my bases and I've got some tops. I'm going to cook these on 180 degrees centigrade until they're cooked. This is going to take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so they've come out of the oven. We've got the tops there. They smell beautiful. The whole house smells, in fact, like a bakery here. Look at that, nice and golden brown on the bottom. These are going to be ready now. Probably only need a couple of tablespoons. Just want to warm it through. And then what we'll do is we'll let it cool down slightly. Right, time to get the jam on. A little blob in the center there. You want about a teaspoon of jam. And just put the lids on. So squish it down a little bit so it sticks in. And I'll let these cool down completely now. Let the jam set. Now that they're completely cool, just dust them with a bit of icing sugar and they are ready to eat. Simple, easy jam sandwich biscuit. Beautiful center of jam there. So I'm just cut it in half. Nice little crunch. They're very crumbly, nice and light. Really nice. Thanks for watching my channel, and until my next recipe, have yourselves a fantastic week. Take care.